I see you wanted to sell your property on... Are you by any chance Filipino, kuya?
Oo.
So, itong bahay nyo, kuya, ang asking nyo is almost 185.
Actually, hindi ko pa nagagawa yung mga comps ko, no? Nilagay ko lang yan dyan kasi I know, hindi naman yan talaga ang pinaka-basis natin, di ba?
Yeah, thank you po.
I understand kasi I also do what you do. Yung basement, not really finished, but insulated na siya, drywall. Ang napalitan dito, 2 years ago is yung hot water tank, tapos last year yung roof.
Okay.
So, it's been a rental for a while. May mga tama yung drywall. Kung personally, lalagay ko siya back to the market for rental, kailangan ko siyang ilamusan. Pintura.
Yeah.
Nagpalit ako ng laminate na flooring. It's already started to fade. Makikita mo na yung fading. Mas mainam patungan na siya ng
Bagong flooring. Kailan po ito pwedeng makita, kuya?
Ikaw, kailan ka ba po pwede?
Pwede po tomorrow,
Oh, sure. Oh, after office na lang.
5:30 para hindi rin tayo nagmamadali, no?
Oo. Oh, sige.
Sige po, kuya. Salamat.
Okay.
See you po tomorrow.
Ito tayo bukas. Okay, thank
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.